We are here at the booth of Frequentis. This is not the first time you're at this exhibition, is that correct?
This is absolutely correct. You know, the German market is one of our core markets, and PMRExpo is the leading exhibition within Germany, and particularly for Frequentis.
But that doesn't mean that you only distribute your solutions here in this area. You deliver worldwide.
Absolutely right, Gert. So we are a market leader in the EMEA region for critical communication applications. And within the EMEA region, Germany is one of our core markets, and hence this focus in Germany, and hence the focus on the PMRExpo.
Yes. And this is a very important show for you.
This is absolutely the most important show within the German market for us, and this is why for years now, for almost decades, we are participating in this show.
But have you experienced a number of international visitors here as well? Because I have seen this number of international visitors grow year after year, so that must be a benefit for you as well?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. But still, the PMRExpo particularly is a very local event and very important for the German market, but not only for public safety, but also for other segments like industry as well.
Yeah. Can you elaborate a little bit more about the solutions that you're offering? Because you sent out a press release just before the show about some new developments. One of them is the LifeX system, I believe, or am I telling that right?
Yeah, absolutely right, Gert. So the LifeX is our new flagship, so to say, and LifeX is several important elements. A, it is the new release for our communication system, purely software-based, software-oriented architecture, thin clients, HTML5 based, allowing rapid deployment, zero deployment, hosting, cloud, etc. But LifeX is more, it's also an ecosystem, which maybe later you can see on this new concept study we do together with Fraunhofer Focus. Ecosystem meaning like economically, but also exchange collaborative open platform which allows other vendors even to integrate into our solution. And what we particularly show here is a study, a design study together with Fraunhofer Focus for large incidents, and the main idea is anticipate what will happen and start acting before it happens, so allowing all stakeholders to really manage large incidents successfully.
So that means that you're working with big data in this case, probably, or not?
It's data, particularly in its data aggregation and data distribution. To have the right data in the right aggregation level available to the relevant stakeholders in order to manage the mission successfully.
Well, at the show I've seen some vendors coming up with all kinds of solution that gives police officers and command and control centers a lot of information from the street. Now that has to go through the control room, that has to go through the solutions you are offering, is that correct?
It's absolutely correct, and LifeX particularly is designed to exactly aggregate, take this information, interface to it, and particularly, and we can later show also the user interface, particularly the user interface design, allowing then this information to be handled and dealt with in an easy and simple and fail-safe way.
Yeah, but easy and simple is important, because if I just can imagine so much information available, but coming to a police officer, it could be very confusable. So it's very important to get the right information and the right amount of information to the police officer on the street, and that's going to be done through one of those systems from Frequentis.
Exactly, and this is the heart also of LifeX. So based on that, we even designed different layouts of user interface. One is more the classical approach to keep it completely clean and easy, and the other one is using GIS data as a map-centric user interface to even locate incidents to the geographical coordinates, by such allowing the operator to directly interact with the incident, with other resources shown on the map related to this incident.
So we actually can say that Frequentis is ready for the future, coming up with a solution that is also ready for the future policing.
I couldn't have better summed it up. Absolutely right.